Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to add a logo in Canva, whether it's for branding your designs or personalizing your projects. We will walk you through the simple steps to upload and place your logo. On the Canva dashboard, all we need to do is click on Uploads. From here, we just upload the logo from our computer. If we already have a logo saved, we just need to locate it. Here, we have a sample logo. We just need to wait for it to finish uploading. Once it's done, we simply drag the logo onto our project and resize it as needed. We can also adjust the transparency so it blends nicely into our design. And just like that, there is now a logo on our Canva project. That's all there is to adding a logo in Canva. With just a few clicks, we can make our designs more personalized, professional, and consistent.